everyone, what's up? It's Gabby. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my Louis Vuitton collection. Okay, so let's get started. I'll be going in the order of when I bought the item from the oldest item I've had, and that would be this guy here. I think it's a great piece to start off with, especially with the price point. All of the items that I mentioned will be in the description box below if y'all are interested. This is the key clay and the monogram canvas. And I got this to hold just like my extra cards and some keys in there. It does come with this little key ring so you can hold your keys or anything you want to hang off of it, a charm or anything. I usually bring this everywhere with me, definitely an essential for me. I don't know how many times I said me, but it was a lot. Okay, so the next item that I purchased was the mini pochette in the damier bean, and this thing is a lifesaver. I hold all of my random stuff like lip balm, eye drops, a roller ball, just random stuff. I would call this more of a keep all than anything. I have used this as a belt bag, as a clutch. You can actually unclip this here and then move it to this side and make it like a little wristlet clutch situation. And then I've also worn it as a crossbody. This definitely can be worn in all sorts of different ways. So really handy, really miniature, and it's good for on the go. I can also mention where all these pieces were made. This one was made in the US. This one was made in France, and you can tell by the tag here. Oh my god, this is not gonna focus, but it's right here. And the next piece that I purchased is this guy here. This is the, This is the Speedy 25 in the damier bean print. And it is currently stuffed right now so that it can keep its shape. I usually use this for work and when I want to bring a lot of stuff out. The interior is red. It has this pocket and it has a D-ring on this side. The strap is in here. It's at the bottom of the bag. But currently I'm not wearing it. I'm not wearing any of my bags because of what's going on in the world. Usually I just bring my card holder if I need to go to the grocery store or anything. But wow, it's very hard to hold. So this is the Speedy B from Bandolier. If I didn't mention that before, Speedy Bandolier, because it has the D-rings to hold a crossbody strap. The original Speedy does not have that. And in the size 25. So that is this guy. And it has a lock, which gets scratched up really easily. The next item that I purchased was my Pochette Matisse in the monogram canvas. This bag is also stuffed right now. I also have a bandeau on it. It's from the Trunks collection. You won't see it as well, but it has like trunks on it. This part right here. And then the reason why I wanted it is because it was red and black, and I just love the combination of that with the monogram. This bag has vachetta leather, so that means that it's raw leather, and then over time it's gonna patina or get like honey, like a honey color. So it's not too much of the vachetta, but it handles vachetta. But that's the reason why I put the bandeau on the handle, so that the oils of my hands doesn't ruin the handle. So the inside is currently stuffed. This is actually a beanie, and inside is the strap to the bag. This bag is usually harder to find, but recently it's been on the LV website placing cart for the last like couple weeks. So I would definitely check it out if you're trying to get your hands on this. And it also has a back pocket, really useful for your phone. So that is this guy. All right, so actually at the same time when I got that bag, I got this guy. So this is an extra strap that I like to wear with that purse. And this is it. Oh, this one was made in the US, by the way. Okay, so this is the strap and the monogram canvas with the black leather on the inside. I love to wear this strap with my pochette tees. I think it just brings an extra look to the bag. And yeah, I just love the thick kind of like guitar strap. It really jazzes it up. And I just love the black leather on the inside. I like to also wear it this way with this bag. That looks pretty cool. But yeah, this one is made in Spain. It's right there. And I just keep this in its box with its bag. But yeah, I mostly use this with my pajamas. So the next bag that I owned was actually the Palm Springs Mini in the reverse monogram. But that bag had a lot of problems with it. The canvas was chipping on the pockets. So I decided to turn it in and bring it in for in-store credit. And I decided to get this bag to replace it. So this is the Cans bag in the reverse monogram. The regular monogram on the top, reverse monogram at the bottom. And the reason why I got this one was because my Palm Springs Mini was a reverse monogram, so I wanted to trade it in for another reverse monogram. I wouldn't say this bag is easier to find, but usually the stores will have this. I jazzed this bag up with the Palm Springs Mini keychain that I used for it. My boyfriend got me this one from Fashion File, since they don't make this one anymore or sell it in stores. This bag was made in Spain, and I can show you the inside. I don't need to stuff this bag because it's hard and it has its own shape. So the inside is the strap for it. I didn't even mention it has the black leather lining. Luckily it wasn't Vachetta. If it was Vachetta, I wouldn't have bought it just because it is so much and you can't really cover it up. So glad this came in the black leather, and I just love the detail of this bag. It's nice and flat in the back so that it lays flat to your body, so it's not sticking out too much. But if you're definitely looking for a reverse monogram bag, I would check this one out. I just really don't think I'd ever get the Palm Springs Mini again just because of the quality of that bag. I got really lucky with this bag because this one definitely has a lot of issues. No issues so far with this bag, so I'm really glad about it. Maybe with their newer models, it's a lot better with the quality, but we'll see. Over time, maybe I'll try to get my hands on one. The next item that I purchased was this guy. This guy is the Agenda MM, and I purchased this for planning goals, video ideas, diet tracker, habit tracker, just stuff like that. If you guys want to see more about what I have in my planner and what other knickknacks or random things I have in here, let me know and I can make a video about it. Yeah, so it's just an agenda. This one was made in France, and when I actually went in the store, this was the last one, so lucky that I got this. Okay, and now for the last item. This is my newest item. I think I got like a couple weeks ago, and I got it online. And it is the Toiletry 19 in the monogram canvas. I love this thing. This is another kind of keep all bag that I have, just like this guy here, but it's just bigger. And inside I just have more random stuff. Lip balm, tissue paper, tissues, oh my god, tissues, gum, hand sanitizer, just your daily stuff. And the inside of the bag is made out of a wipeable canvas, or is it leather? Wipeable material, so that if you get any makeup on it, you can just wipe it off. But the tab is made out of Vachetta. Oh, and then this one is made in Spain. A lot of things right now are available on the website. So definitely check it out. And if you're searching for an item that's usually hard to get in the stores, see if they are available to buy online. So yeah, that is my Louis Vuitton collection, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on any of the items that I showed y'all, and please let me know in the comments below, and I'll make sure to make one for y'all. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe on this video, and I'll see you on the next one.